Hello you guys, this is me from future. I actually realized when I was editing this video that I didn't record any introduction, so my hair is a bit different than the ones on the video, because in the video I have long hair, and here I've got short hair. But I'm editing this video after I came back from Poland and I had my haircut done in Poland, so I just wanted to make sure that you know that, because that might be a bit confusing. But I obviously, me being me, I forgot to record an introduction, so I just wanted to have some introduction before at the beginning of this video. So this is what the makeup looks like. I'm probably gonna attach some picture or a video, or so you can see what it looks like. And if you would like to know how to make this makeup and how I did this makeup, please carry on watching this video. Hello you guys, so I've already applied a primer from Fenty Beauty Skin. This is the primer. I've got the Profil, so it's called Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Yes, so it's the white one. So I've already applied that to my face. Another product that I'm going to apply is the eyeshadow base. The eyeshadow base I always use is Shadow Insurance from Too Faced 24 Hours Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. And I've got 3 eyeshadow palettes that I'm probably going to be based around. And the first one is Sleek Makeup Eye Divine Glory 767. Another one is another Sleek Eye Acid 570. And Ultra Matte V17330 from Sleek as well. I've also got a few palettes from Too Faced, and the palette that I'm probably gonna use the most from Too Faced is a Girl's Best Friend eyeshadow palette, and it's this one. I'm probably gonna be using some of those eyeshadow because they're colorful. Okay, so we're going to use yellow eyeshadow first. I'm gonna use the yellow color, this one from the palette Glory, as a first one. And to do that, I'm going to use the pencil from Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. I'm just gonna apply it. I think I'm going to use a pink color from the palette Bonbon Chocolate from Too Faced. And I'm just gonna apply it like this. Yes, I'm literally in the middle. And I'm going to use the other side of the Urban Decay brush. Sorry, the previous brush that I used for the middle of the eyelid is Essence eyeshadow brush. I'm using the purple from the palette Slick Ultra Matte. And I'm gonna blend it a little bit together. Okay, so the blue that I've decided to use is the leftover blue from the palette Acid, the one in the corner here. And I was thinking maybe we could add a little bit of green on the top. So let me just use, so we go back to the acid again. We're going to use this one. Oh yes. It brings me joy, this makeup does. Let's blend it. It actually looks so cool. Let's use orange. So we go back to the acid again, and we've got this bright orange in here. And we're going to use the eyeshadow brush from the Real Techniques. I don't know what sort of brush eyeshadow it is, but it's from that orange line. Oh, love this. I love it. I think now we're going to do the eyeliner. And the eyeliner that I'm going to use is the eyeliner from Essence. So the line this time is quite minimalistic. The reason for it is because I don't want it to be a thick line so it covers what's going on my eyes. So just... that's the lines. Mascara that I'm using is the NARS Climax Mascara Explicit Black. I'm literally just gonna put a little bit of that mascara. I'm thinking about using those ones. The reasons why I want to use the Edge Intense, sorry, that's the name for it, is because if they're just going to be intense at the very end, they're not going to cover up the effect that I've got on my eyes of the colors and all that stuff, if you know what I mean. Let me see what happens in here. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to use those ones. Lovely. Okay. So I think we're going to move on to face. I'm pretty happy with how the eyes look like. We're going to use Huda Beauty foundation, and to that we're going to use some iconic illuminator drops. It does look a little bit dark, but this foundation is way too light for me, so it actually works out perfect. And to apply it, I'm going to use the blender. It's not a beauty blender. I think it's the sponge from Primark. I think it's the Mickey Mouse line, or maybe not. Now we're going to mix it. I think I'm just going to mix it with my finger. So I'm just applying this on my cheeks. And to cover my face, I'm gonna use a Finiton concealer from Maybelline. And the powder that I'm going to use today is Weibo Banana Loose Powder. And to apply the powder, we're going to use Eco Tools. But it is pretty matting. Look at this. Look at this. I'm pretty happy. Okay, so now we're going to use some bronzer, and we're going to use a powder. I'm going to move the mirror a little bit further down because I think it's a little so I moved the mirror a little bit further down because I don't want it to be that close. I don't need it to be that close anymore. And we're going to use my old classic, which is Kat Von D. I'm using this 2 shades. I'm running out of this, but I'm literally using them all the time. So we get rid of the excess and this cheek, this cheek, this cheek. Okay, and we get rid of the excess. this face, this face. We're gonna use a little bit of blush now because I don't want it to be too big. So to do so, we're going to use Bourjois. Sorry, I don't have anything written on it anymore because I've used it so many times. And the Bourjois blush Rose de Jaspe. That's the, I'm not even gonna show you the shade. You need to trust me. It's Rose de Jaspe. And we're going to use the brush from our Real Techniques number 300 from the metallic collection. I don't think that collection is available anymore, but maybe it is. And just a tiny little bit on the cheeks. So the highlighter that we're going to use today, we're going to use something brand new. And the highlighter that I'm going to use is going to be the Balm Mary Luminizer. It's unpacked. I've bought it a while ago, but I haven't used it yet, so this is a great opportunity to use it. And this is what it looks like. So it's unused, as you can see. And we're going to use the brush from Rihanna, highlight brush 120. Hell yeah! It looks so pretty. I didn't expect that, guys. Wow. Now we need to move on to lips. So the lipstick that I'm using is Lovesick from Kat Von D. So this is the lips. Let's just we need to let them dry first. So the lip gloss that I'm going to use is the Ascot Dianthus lip gloss from the Other Stories. Let me just fix the eyebrows quickly. I'm just gonna do it the same way as I always do them. I'm gonna come back to you, okay guys? Okay guys, so my eyebrows are done. They're not perfect, but I didn't want them to be perfect, especially when I'm growing them, because I'm planning to do the lamination in a few weeks, so I need to grow them, so I didn't want to cut them so they're not really perfect. I just filled them up a little bit so they look more or less tidy. But this is the makeup. Okay, you guys, I'm going to sort out my hair and I'm gonna see you in a minute. Hello you guys, so this is my party outfit. This is my hair. I've done 2 buns and I've curled my hair in here, and I've just messed up my fringe a little bit. It doesn't really matter. And I've also added those cute rings with the pompons. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to give this video a thumbs up, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button next to it if you want to be updated about my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a lovely day. And it's time for me to go and get drunk. Hey. Bye.